So, Mr. Aston has an oil tank with 892 litres in it, and he uses 18.7 litres every day. Estimate the number of days it will take him to use all the oil. Well, first of all, let's write down the actual number of days. So the number of days is actually 892 divided by 18.7. Now, we don't have a calculator, so we can't do that. But anyway, it says estimate. And if you look at my blue box, I've given you a clue about using estimations in calculations. And the general rule is to round everything to one significant figure. Okay, so let's do that. 892 to one significant figure is 900. It's very nearly 900. And 18.7 to one significant figure, well, that's 20, isn't it? In each case, we've looked at the second significant figure. It's big. It's nearly 9. Well, it is 9 in one case, and so we've rounded up. So 892 has become 900, and 18.7 has become 20. And now all we have to do is do the division. Well, let's do some cancelling first. Green cancelling pen. The zeros cancel, and I get 90 over 2, and I hope you can do 90 over 2 without much further ado. That is 45, and it is days. And that is our estimation.